Today I am doing a tutorial on how to get the most plump, outrageous looking lip. My key steps into creating that, because there are some key steps that go into that, which I just kind of discovered over time. I'm like, how come sometimes my lip just look so plump compared to other times? And there's a couple things I do different, so I'm going to share that in the video today. I love to double my videos, so I'm going to do a review on some new Buxom lip oils, because those just happen to work for the crazy plump lip. So I'm gonna be reviewing these as well and swatching them and sharing my thoughts on them. So my name's Holly. If you're new to my channel or a returning subscriber, I'm so happy to have you here. I post every single week about makeup, beauty, style. Today's a fun one, and the sun is out today. I'm using the natural lighting when I can get it. Hopefully now it's spring. There's nothing quite like natural lighting. I did a look today and used this lip. So the lip I do have on, I still have it on right now. I'm gonna take this off and go in reverse order and share with you the steps that go into it. But first, I'm gonna go over this lip oil. I'm quite excited about this because I really love a lip oil. And I also really love Buxom glosses. Nothing quite plumps like they do. So this combo is kind of a match made in heaven. The new full-on plumping glossy lip oil, drenched in plump, which they are so crazy plumping. They're not too tingly on the lip, which I like for a change. It's very toned down. It does not tingle much, but it gives you that crazy plump look that we all want, or I want for sure. Buxom's new lip oil, clinically proven to provide instant plump and all-day hydration while delivering over 25% fuller lips after 1 week. Interesting. So that's probably just because of hydrating. It makes the lips look a little fuller, not like a permanent thing. An oversized doe foot applicator coats lips with a pop of color, shine, sugared vanilla scent in just one swipe. I do really love the taste of these. Taste and smell like vanilla. Can't go wrong with that. Lip loving ingredients that are in there. Smooth lip lines. They have hyaluronic filling spheres. So it just helps plump the lip over time. So I like that they have ingredients in there that actually hydrate and do some good for your lip. Fuller looking lips instantly and over time with our unique plumping peptide complex. Conditioned with jojoba, seed oil, vitamin E, and other botanicals. So lots of good things in there. 6 shades. White Russian, which is Buxom's classic lip shade. It's kind of, I feel like, what they're known for. It's such a beautiful nude that looks flattering on everyone, I think. I'm going to swatch it on my nice pale wrist so you can see it. And this one is probably going to be one of my top used ones. The color on these lip oils is quite sheer. Most lip oils are sheer, but some do have more pigment than others. This one's on the more sheer side, kind of like a short, wide tube, and it has that oversized doe foot applicator they were talking about. I like these because I find it just delivers a lot of product in a quick swipe. You don't have to like just keep swiping. It's very fast and easy to use. So this, you can barely see it, White Russian. It's just really light. It does add some really nice plumpness and hydration to the lips without really making the color that crazy. I like adding this color on top of mixing it with some of the other colors, but this one is just amazing. You could pop this on with a bit of a lip liner or lip liner tint and be good to go. These are very light in the tingle sensation compared to like the regular Buxom full-on lip plumping gloss. You're gonna have to tell me what I should do with this lip case. What's an appropriate thing to do with this lip case? Next shade. This looks kind of purple and mauvey to me. Dolly. Okay, Dolly is like one of their classic shades as well. Kind of a mauvey purple color, it looks like. It's probably more pinky, lavender, purpley looking on the lips. So sheer. These colors overall are so sheer. You can kind of just see a little bit of a tint of lavender on there. Berry Blast. So obviously this is like a nice berry color. One of the deeper shades in the line. This is more pinky looking, pinky on the lips. If you're into like a pink shade. Trixie. This looks like it's gonna be more of a coral shade. This one is similar to White Russian. White Russian's a little more on the nude side. This is a little more on the orange side. Yellowy orange, very sheer, as you can see. Cherry Flip, immediately love this color because red lip oils, red sheer red lip oils are one of my favorite and essential lip products. It has a bit more pigment. I'm not sure if that's just because it's red, and red naturally does, or it's a pigment thing, but stunning color. I will be using this one in my tutorial. Moscow Mule. Stunning. I feel like this is going to be a very beautiful brown nude color. Cool brown. This is Moscow Mule. Beautiful brown shade. Brownie nude. Cool tone brown. It has a bit of pigment. It's a little more pigmented. The last two are the cherry one and this Moscow Mule. The first thing I do to achieve the crazy plump lip is apply this lip stain. So this is from Sacheu Beauty in Pinked. I apply a border around my lips, and then in a few minutes I will peel it off. So the purpose of this, when you do a crazy plump lip like that, basically looks like you got lip injections. You have different lips than what you actually have. So that will wear off if you don't do this. So this is something that will ensure you will have that lip all night. It will go even into the next day. This kind of takes it up a notch, and then when you add more lip liner and the gloss, the lip oil on top, it's just the full thing. But this will really take your plump lip up a notch. I'll let this sit for just a few minutes till it kind of dries. Stains pretty fast. Let it sit, and then I'll take it off and then show you the next steps. I took that lip tint off, and then I'm just cleaning up if there's any remnants on my lip. It's all kind of red right now, but I did just tint the outside border. Just when I rub my lips, they get red. Sets you up for the plumpest lip of your life, basically. Then, I don't know what it is about this specific lip liner, but as far as all of the ones I've tried, this is the one that really, really does it. This is the Chris lip liner from Makeup by Mario. It's in a deep brown, warm tone, like terracotta brick brown, which again, just is the perfect recipe for a plump, crazy plump, plumpest lips of your life look. I'm not gonna add in the corners like I normally do. I'm just gonna leave it. And then I'm just gonna use, there's a little brush on the end. Just kind of softly blend that line. We're already starting to look outrageous. Amazing. Go in with Cherry Flip. So a red, really glossy lip oil is the key part I have investigated and found to really, really do this. Fill in the middle. These smell slash taste the nicest vanilla. These are very easy to wear because they don't burn or sting too much, and they have the most pleasant lip vanilla smell to them. I feel like these are definitely one of the more wearable lips that I've come across from Buxom for sure. And I'm gonna use a little bit of White Russian. So basically adding a little bit lighter of a lip on the inside adds even more 3D to an already plump look. It adds more gloss and just kind of ends up reflecting light and adding more gloss to the lip. This is my final lip look. You can see how crazy and full these lips are. Nothing ever looks as full as these when I do lips, and I've tried so many different lip combinations. This is my go-to. I hope you try it out. Let me know if you do and what you think of the final result. Huge fan of these Buxom lip oils as well. I appreciate so much when you guys like it and comment down below. It helps me get this video out to more people, and I love talking to you. I reply to every comment and love building relationships with you. And don't forget to subscribe, because then you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, lives, and shorts. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there at the same handle at holl_ward. I post all the time over there with full style looks incorporated with the beauty looks. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.